Hi, my name is Kathy Patterson Sterling, and I'm a clinical counselor, and I'd like to welcome you to RT for Mental Health. RT for Mental Health is a YouTube channel where we provide you with daily posts around tools and skills for helping your child with mental health issues such as anxiety or depression, bipolar, oppositional defiant disorder, or anything else that you're dealing with and needing support with. So here today, what we're going to talk about is how to stop social anxiety. Now, social anxiety is that anxious feeling of being out there socially, being around people. Now, social anxiety usually stems from two reasons. One reason is that a child has a sense of worry about being judged. What do other people think of me? Their value of who they are, they place on other people. And so they spend a lot of time in their minds being self-conscious, worrying about saying or doing the wrong thing, and then having that sense of rejection. So it can be a self-esteem based issue as well. Now, social anxiety can also be an issue of a sensory issue of overwhelm. It is just too much being around people. So having to be around people and that over the top level of stimulation and so much going on, especially if I have speech and language issues where it's trying to kind of hook into and understand all the demands, the expectations, the conversation of what people are saying. It becomes too much. Now, the difficulty with anxiety is that children will avoid the source of stress. Now, avoidance actually grows fear. And the difficulty with that is that fear then becomes larger than life, and it can consume our life, so that life becomes about avoiding discomfort or avoiding distress. And so what we want to do is help children with social anxiety by teaching them self-regulation skills, how to calm themselves down, use breathing techniques so that they can shift from the limbic system of fight, flight, freeze in their brains to the prefrontal cortex, the logical part of their brain, so that they can take a step back out of this tunnel vision of fear and see that my reaction is out of line with the threat that's coming at me. They're able to regulate themselves, calm themselves down, and so they're able to then address the fear in their lives. With resiliency training, children learn how to calm themselves to their emotional core, to draw strength on that core resiliency so that they don't need an outside situation to be okay. They can create that inner calm inside of themselves. When children learn self-regulation and resiliency training, they stop the process of new fears forming. They gain confidence over the current fears, and they stop the process of new fears forming because they have a toolbox of skills. This is what I do in my breathing ritual. This is what I do when I start to feel overwhelmed. And so here at RT for Mental Health, we're excited to share with you a new resource called the Skills for Success CEST system. It's a comprehensive emotional and social skills training system that over 50 of these narrated skills training booklets help with anxiety. So what happens is children can watch other children learning these skills of self-regulation and resiliency training. I'm excited to share this resource with you. If you go to www.rt4mentalhealth, then you can check out that new resource. Or also you may want to become a subscriber here at RT for Mental Health, where we continue to provide you with daily posts around tools and skills for growing in your highest level of mental health. Take care.